Why the hell are you talking to my wife? When you got done, they said, hey, you had to watch it. We'll give you free popcorn. Yeah, so you're not doing that. No, you had a couple moments, but a couple moments. You're better defender.
Is there any room in the parking lot? Is there room in the parking lot? Up way over there.
Sticks in front of them. On the other side, I'll be like this.
Really? So hopefully that will be good next year.
What?
Or then it was like, searching for stuff. Oh, I don't plan with the. Oh, no, I don't. I'm not good at no, that's me decision. I always end up like thinking I'm barely able to see. So I play state. Well, that's the movie is a song. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you was like reaching out and stuff, and like, that's like really needed a few guys. Yeah. They're digging deep in the land.
Wayne's face at part of this so
He always does these crazy plays where he's gonna end up with just fucking face.
Wayne's face
So
is
reckless. You didn't get the height on that thing. It was kind of weird.
I didn't realize it was a camera. I was kind of like, I just said good play sarcastically. Yeah, when you said it, like, what's icing? That's why I said sarcastic. Yeah,
Sometimes icing is a good play, especially if you have pools that are moving. You're like, okay. I'm just going to reset.
yeah, put the box. Can you let my brother?
How'd they go?
It's like I said, I fit it on a open back door. And that's where it went down. We were doing this thing where we would pass it to our team.
How would you want to do that?
Then we wouldn't move with our team.
Oh, yeah.
So we would pass it to the middle, and we would just stay back there, and then there would be one guy trying to pass it. Jack back. Fixing his house, fixing his truck, and having a baby.
He's a rock. I need him back. I need solid numbers.
Our first side does alright. After that,
I need solid defense.
it's usually like Tebow saving someone else. Saving.
What's going on with Christian?
This was.
Sometimes he gets like during the headlights and stuff. That's where I start putting a little bit forward at times, and then I'm like, all right, just make quick decisions up there, and then when we get back, start back up there. Sometimes that helps.
Figure it out.
Yeah, somebody's gonna like knock over that.
Okay, just in case you start forgetting to score, you gotta address it right away.
I would do that job again. I get paid so Dude, we were playing on Tuesday. They get paid $3 a game.
What?
It looks like a team of other people. Both lockers. People from the last game. Yeah. Yeah, that's been hard for us. So complicated by I feel real bad. She herself is doing really, she's tough as nails. Around everybody else, like her family and her work and all that sort of stuff, she's good. She gets alone here. Comes out.
And I was kind of favorite at icing.
That's kind of the way it probably should be. She should feel comfortable. And so, but she's been, just that she's been willing to deal with her family and how they act. It's just astonishing. I would have sent an email that said, thanks but no thanks. I'll skip the whole thing. She's enduring. So we'll go down there next week. But she's at the point where she's like,
I do it again. I want like
we're gonna arrive 5 minutes before the funeral. Wow. Yeah. I mean, it's been complicated for a long time. A relationship with your father is always complex. She would give a pessimistic but her PT person, I think, is a little more bullish about it. It kind of, I think the PT person has it her way. She might have to find it on it. I don't think Sean is good as fine. I mean, her body. She's the one's got exactly her decision on what she's feeling ready to do or not do. But
It's an experience.
yeah, exactly. I trust her. Not my place is anything, but I can tell she's so frustrated.
As I say, she'll also feel like she can do that.
Oh my gosh, she cannot wait. Like every time I leave the house,
I said, these two guys,
she knows that I'm gonna go in front of our friends.
Daisy's like, I don't know.
But she's doing her faithfully, doing her little rehab exercises, and she's walking up the treadmill, and she's up to like 2.5 miles on the treadmill.
Reach out to people trying to
She's still doing her weightlifting and getting some exercise.
So are she and Ryan?
I think once a week they're getting together, and then when they do it, they only do upper body together.
Yeah, Ryan back.
Yeah. And is she feeling like she's 100%?
She feels 100%. I mean, she just like working out. Just cautious.
It's still there. It's still
It's about as clear a trip as
problem is like whenever I did try to put in like put out nice time stuff and try to get people together, people just
I mean, she's been choppy at my hands.
Is that what you did last year?
Kick him out.
It's Cowper's guys.
Yes, sir.
We were 8 guys. We had 8 guys. And a couple of them were part-time.
Give him the two.
And then we had 3 guys. 4 guys that bit. Like Sam, all out on us in tournaments multiple times last night. Literally, it was like, hey, I'm not making it Saturday. As we're getting another Friday night. Are you serious? Yeah. Yeah, and he's like, did you get my message? And then we're like, nobody got your message. He did that. He did that a couple times. And then we had one guy that's like, oh, I'm a part of the hockey tournament. I'm out. Even though he said it was a week before the tournament. So it was just one of those like, we have people that want to play really bad. So we'll just put the money in for the league and then taking my money out. I have 5 guys showing up. Here.
No. It's like this time. It's like it's on standby. Oh, hi.
I'm playing with you guys. I only have a white and an orange. Did I hear like green? Some people go white. Okay. I realized that I didn't pronounce New Jersey. Yeah. I'm just in the I'm like smart. So, yeah. Well, it's all even there, so.
You know, the worst part is last time I seen him last year, we saw him go up the basement right and then the kids always want something. That's what I told him too. I'm like, this is a bounce car, man. I did, I know, I did. Now when I get home, yeah. I'm gonna be sleeping on the couch. I have my own room. Yeah, she's mine.
She bought the house, but you know, I take care of it.
I haven't seen her. Yeah.
Like I can't.
Yeah, so you're good. You're this far reach, then you're good.
You playing Korak and tournaments?
I'm not playing.
Do you want to? Not just kidding.
No, maybe this one's 2 left.
I can't figure. Because that's the like nights. Since I signed it. So, is it you want a new face?
Yes. Sounds like they're pretty nice.
Me, DC, and
I guess this is
they're gonna hear me booing from the stands. I like you. I might have to cheer for that. Really not.
Except for you, Maggie, he's mad.
Your ass doesn't get stressed.
That
You're not playing correct. That's the only reason I think your team's still on the third field. I don't know.
Oh, we're wrestling Warper. Oh, yeah. This is two. Match of the year.
I got stuck. I was fine.
You wanted it.
I didn't want it.
Yes, you
So
did.
I wasn't like, oh no.
So you were like, no, they just get to Detroit. We did pretty sweet Airbnb. Wait, did I send you the videos of Uber? He was just dancing like he was like, this is the best
Like
night
no one was
of
watching.
my life.
No one was so funny. Yeah, he's fun. He's fun. It's fun to hear.
Yeah.
So, take my last trip back from
Bye, Ty.
Best thing I ever did.
And then I've got a rental truck right now. And it doesn't have it's like I get in, start it, and just start driving. I get down to ticket group, put the window down. I'm like, this is fun. It's so cold. And I left it like inches. Push the button. Pull in the window. I did
Best thing I did.
Huh?
You really mean it.
I don't think so.
Best thing I did was I'll work it down.
Well, Sarah is gonna stay at my house.
I probably pay this for it.
How much is that?
They're free.
It's like 60 bucks under what it is. And I walked out. I walked out.
Yeah. I mean,
Vegas free. Check for 10 feet.
what if you decide what you want? I told Taylor after I had coffee with her.
I should start doing that. I've never done it.
Yeah. Laura's like, I've never even done a headband thing.
My name and yeah, no, I'm like, well, don't have to do paperwork for me at least.
Come on, Mike.
Yeah, I get 2 free tickets there. Press cement 4 times
That's the kind of capsule like that.
Yeah, or trunker. Or the wing.
I have had
This one was free because I coached the boys.
this. He got me this one, and it's my favorite hat.
Kim's not my business.
Okay, submitted.
I just make it bad.
Fair, fair. Well, Lauren picked out the last one.
He did. He's like, I'm gonna get this. I tried to get this for Kayla go twice. So.
Here's the same hats. Just there. Crumbs.
No crumbs, no hair.
That's nice.
I
I like smooth chest, bigger bumps. Play on the same team.
We do have t-shirts and hats.
If that's how if I suffocate and die that way, I'll be happy. I'm okay going that way. I would say
I got Keith. Is it crowded over there?
I know.
and I hope that's written somewhere. Tell everybody how I was.
That's not my name still. Some my movies.
Motorboat is cleared out. Ran out of gas. Ran out of gas. I'm all hilarious. Just ask me. You need a beer?
Actually, really good.
You?
Okay. I mean, world's burning down. So we all got to do some of that.
Well, that happened in like the 1940s as well. Remember?
Yeah, it did.
And
somehow
probably
we
the
traveled back in
80s.
time.
And
Yeah,
I think 2008 there was some sort of crash.
Yeah, it'd be nice if we
thought this
stopped
one, like,
in
put this
patterns.
in perspective. Like, when people were 40 in 1940, they thought the world was ending. And then 1980, people that were 40, with all the inflation, no gas, embargo, thought the world was ending. Now, same. You know, oh, she had it too. She had it. She just too far away. Yeah. So, if you think about it that way, you're just like, oh.
I mean, a little bit, but this is like humanity. This isn't like financial crisis. This is like how we're treating people.
A little more.
And so, I'd like to think that we're better people than what the world is.
I don't think we are.
And it seems to be showing that.
I don't think anyone That's safe. Oh, she had it. Oh. She had it too. I think it was gonna raise it. Who do you play? What team do you play against?
I think we got T-Rex and our Deeks. You guys had a decent game today, yeah?
Yeah, we played the Rock Pack. We kind of treated them like you treated us.
But what happened to you guys that day? I didn't have anything to do with that. I didn't really have much to do that day. I was like, oh my goodness. I don't think we've ever put up a
Felt
tenner
bad
against
for
it.
killing us.
Oh, yeah.
Some of your guys can shoot hard as shit.
Yeah, I feel like, I mean, when we're
I feel like every
on,
shot
we're-
was like in the corner where she had no chance. I was like,
Yeah.
even the ones that were low were like super low when they come like right off the post. It's like
Yeah.
unless she hits her stick and gets it. It's, Stand your feet and just lay it on.
Oh, ooh.
You didn't want to go to Syracuse?
I've never played in that one. I've never had much of an interest in like spending a few $1,000s to hang out with the same clowns I see every week here. You know, like the end, I think, if I remember rumors correctly, it was what the Ducks versus the Bees in the chip. It's like, cool, I don't need to, to go somewhere wintry to see the same film. Like, sure, there might be a couple Canadians there, whatever, but it's like I don't need to pay all that money to. Yeah, so it's just like I don't have a desire for that. If I'm gonna spend that kind of money, it better be warm and fruity cocktail for a reward at the end of the day.
Or at least like.
Yeah, and I'm sure people have fun in Syracuse, maybe. I've never tested it out, but yeah.
It's probably my last time.
Yeah.
Got to see Rich. Rich was there, so that was cool.
Oh yeah, I haven't seen him since we were in Vegas.
Yeah, they look good.
You missed that tournament, man.
Vegas, I do too, right? That was fun. Hi, Zach. I do miss Vegas. I like going out there to play golf too. I'd always go to a couple days after to play golf. I got a friend that's a casino host. So I just always stay there.
does like bottle service out there, and he just like rubs elbows with every famous person in the world. It's like holy cow! I know.
Yeah, I've seen more famous people than anywhere in the world. Just love the food.
That's funny. I was talking about that with you. You doing the Minneapolis City tournament?
Is that 8 on 8 or 6 on 6? No,
Tomorrow, yeah, 6 is coming east.
6 on 6 in Minneapolis. Oh, there's just 8 on 8.
Nice shot, Matt. Yeah, no, I haven't done anything for her.
I think they blocked one pass. Are you playing? The tourney?
Yeah, with sea salt. It's last.
Whose boyfriend or husband owns that? Is that Sue's husband or boyfriend?
Yeah, both. I mean,
Whatever.
but yeah, it's been together for
I like that place. I've been there a few times.
it's and John is such a phenomenal cook.
Yeah. I like that.
He just like even when he's done cooking at lunch, he wants to go home and cook.
I know I like.
He's just so good at it
Yeah.
and knowledgeable. He fascinates me.
Yeah.
They call that a whole.
I like to cook, but I can't do like I can't like taste something that needs this or needs that.
Oh, sure.
You know?
Serene's really good at that. Like,
Yeah.
She can taste like a whole flavor profile. Like, oh,
Yeah.
it's like sweet at the beginning and it ends up, sour or ends
I'm
up
jealous of those
savory.
people.
And like she can just kind of, do a whole flavor profile of how it starts and ends.
Like move this way and like move
Like,
that way.
that's a cool skill.
Yeah, I
It's
like
like,
just-
I'll make you eggs in the morning. Nice job, Mom. I'm gonna go grab the rest of my shit. It was good to see you.
Yeah. What the?
That's how you get better, like just going in the well, that's you.
Try. I was doing it. I was just trying to.
Don't do that. He's bullying me. I'm like, shit, we did it for free.
Yeah, nothing else. Do you have another jersey you want me to put on?
I like one and so we had put it down and we had to quick change. They throw the ball to me. The ball gets to me as I'm like jumping over the board. It's going over 17 on a roster station. Yeah, I'm like, you just, no one wanted to say the ball's coming out. Excuse me, no one did that. We'll pause. That's just why I'm like, Grant have a deal where he's not running if I don't run, so
He's totally in.
this practice jersey. There was one guy who got real tight up there. This kid was opening the door. I'm like, open it more, you're digging the next guy. He says, you can't go out the other side. The guy's